What if the foods you're eating could be harming one of your most vital organs without you even realizing it? The liver plays an essential role in detoxifying the body, helping with digestion, blood clotting, and even reflecting the health of your skin. But certain foods can take a serious toll on this hardworking organ. Let's uncover some of the most common culprits that could be secretly damaging your liver and learn how to protect it for long-term health and well-being. Our liver is a large and crucial organ. It helps break down toxins and transforms them into substances the body can easily eliminate. When the liver struggles, you might start to notice other signs like skin issues or digestive problems. That's why it's important to be aware of the foods that can compromise liver health. Let's dive into the first food to avoid. Soy protein isolates. These processed proteins are often found in diet shakes, protein bars, and veggie burgers. The extraction process uses chemicals, including hexane, a petroleum byproduct that can harm the liver. It's also a neurotoxin, so it's best to avoid soy protein isolates, especially if you want to protect your liver from unnecessary stress. Always check the labels of your food products for soy protein isolates, especially in processed diet items. Next up is fructose, a type of sugar that's particularly challenging for the liver. Unlike glucose, which is metabolized by all your cells, fructose is processed only by the liver. This overload can lead to fatty liver, insulin resistance, and other liver issues. Common sources of fructose include high fructose corn syrup, agave nectar, and even table sugar. Despite its low glycemic index, fructose can still cause significant damage to your liver when consumed in large quantities. Instead, opt for natural sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit, and reduce your intake of processed sugars. Vegetable fats, often touted as a healthy choice, are actually not as beneficial as they seem. Oils like soybean, corn, canola, and cottonseed oil are highly processed and can cause inflammation in the body, including the liver. These oils are rich in omega-6 fatty acids, which can disrupt the balance of omega-3s in your diet, leading to inflammation and oxidative stress. For a healthier alternative, focus on consuming more omega-3s from foods like salmon, sardines, and chia seeds. Whey protein is another food that could be putting unnecessary strain on your liver. This protein, derived from milk, is highly processed and can contribute to inflammation. If you're looking to build muscle or maintain a healthy weight, consider plant-based protein sources instead. These are gentler on the liver and may be less likely to cause digestive discomfort. Maltodextrin, a synthetic sugar often used in processed foods and protein powders, is another liver stressor. This sugar is metabolized quickly, spiking blood sugar and increasing fat accumulation in the liver. It can also contribute to weight gain and insulin resistance. Be cautious of foods containing maltodextrin, which can often be hidden in low-carb or keto-friendly items. Aflatoxins, which come from a type of fungus, are toxic to the liver and are commonly found in peanuts and corn. These toxins are especially problematic if the food is stored in humid environments. To minimize your exposure, opt for Valencia peanuts, which have a lower risk of contamination, and avoid processed corn products that might contain hidden aflatoxins. Finally, monosodium glutamate (MSG) is a flavor enhancer found in many processed foods, including fast food, snacks, and even some commercial cheeses. While it enhances taste, MSG can also be harmful to the liver, leading to fluid retention and inflammation. Be sure to read ingredient labels to avoid MSG and choose whole, unprocessed foods whenever possible. What about red meat? While grass-fed red meat can be a healthy option for most, it's important to note that it's rich in iron. Excessive iron can build up in the liver, causing oxidative stress and potentially leading to liver damage. If you have difficulty processing iron, it's a good idea to limit your intake of red meat. On the flip side, certain foods can actually support liver health. Cruciferous vegetables like kale, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts are packed with nutrients that promote liver detoxification. Including these in your diet regularly can help protect and repair liver function, ensuring your body stays balanced and healthy. Now that you're aware of some of the most common foods that can harm your liver, it's time to take control of your health. Make mindful choices and prioritize foods that nourish your liver and support your overall well-being. Your liver will thank you. If you found this information helpful, please like and share. Knowledge is power to help others benefit as well.